cope with challenges. Fellow Kenyans, turning to our COVID-19 situation, and as discussed with the governors, we have noticed over the last couple of days, in the course of this month, that except for a couple of days, we have been on a positivity rate of below 5%. The World Health Organization proposes that when you can run a below 5% positivity rate for over 14 days, heading for 21 days, then as a nation, you have begun to flatten the curve. However, let me caution that even as we do so, events elsewhere across the globe indicate a new wave of COVID-19 cases. If you look at what is happening in the UK, what's happening in Spain, what is happening in Italy and Germany and France and other countries in Europe, then we have no choice but to be cautious for that second wave that is always a possibility. But today, 130 persons tested positive from a sample size of 3,874, which means that once again, we had a positivity rate that is below 5% at about 3.4%. And so far in this country, 37,000 people, 37,348 are the number of confirmed cases, with cumulative tests standing now at over 500,000 at 523,998. And from the cases today, they are all Kenyans, except for 7 who are foreigners. And in terms of gender, 89 persons are male, while 41 of them are female. The youngest person was a 3-year-old child, while the oldest is 90 years old. In terms of county distributions, the highlights of that, which you'll get in the press release, is Nairobi had 35 persons, Kiambu 23, Kisumu 19, Mombasa 14, Uasin Gishu 8, Kericho 6, Kisii 5, Busia 5, Kilifi 5, Bomet 2, Narok 2, Merus 1, Siaya 1, Trans Nzoia 1, Turkana 1, Kajiado 1, and Machakos 1. In terms of the recovery rates, we have 106 persons who have recovered from the disease, 81